What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $60 per day with this simple copy and paste method. Now what I'm going to show you, we're just going to copy, we're going to paste, you're going to make money. So let's get into the computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can do it. So let's go. Alright, let me show you how this strategy works. And like I said, it's very simple. Just got to follow these proven steps, alright? So I'm not going to tell you the exact niche that I am targeting, but I just want you to understand it does work. It's very profitable. But I'm also going to show you how you can do it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be targeting people on Instagram. We can target people on Instagram through email and through Facebook Messenger. However, Instagram is, in my opinion, one of the best ones to get into right now. So here's what essentially we're going to be doing. We are going to be getting somebody to pay us to have a t-shirt design, okay? Some type of logo, something, something cool, okay? So let's say it was this one right here, okay? If I want the shirt done like this, I'm gonna pay this person $25 to do it. Now, I don't pay people $25 to create a t-shirt design. I pay them $5. And then I go and have the person that paid me put their t-shirt design on either Printful or Teespring. Lately, the majority of people are sticking them on Printful. And from there, they will actually put a link on their Instagram right here. And whenever anybody goes to Instagram page, hopefully they click on the link, they buy one of their shirts. Now, here's how I do it. I'm going to go and let's type in Fitness Friday. Let's type in that, okay? Type in Fitness Friday. We'll just come down here and let's say, say this lady right here, okay? Let's say she just needs something, all right? So I'm opening up her page. Let's say she really needs something. Let's say she has a link, yeah, lifesolutionsfitness.com, okay? She's a fitness trainer, cool. What if she didn't have a link? What I would do is I'd either DM her or I'd send her a message that looks something like this. When I say something, I mean it looks exactly like this, okay? So this is exactly the template that my team and I use as of right now to sell pretty much a service that's copy and paste. And you can take this exact same thing, copy it, and paste it. I will try to, if I remember, I will put it down in the description box below, so go check it out, okay? But it says, I do not write DM. This is inside of a DM, okay? I write, hey, I noticed that you've been working hard to build your brand here on Instagram, and I think I can help you with this. Many people don't realize that they can make money by selling their own merchandise, and I believe you can too. I understand creating a t-shirt design might not be your strength, and if not, that is where I come in. For only $20, I can create a custom t-shirt design that you can sell over and over again and profit from. Typically, my clients make anywhere from $5 to $15 per shirt that they sell. So as you can see, there's profit to be made by selling your own merch. If you want to talk further, please DM me back or email me here. And so I put my email address, talk soon, Adam. That's exactly what I send her. Now, on average, I'll get anywhere between, 1 out of every 23, 22 to 25 people that I send messages to will actually respond back and hire me or my team to do the service for them. Now, here's the cool part. Like I said, I will not do the design. I will pay somebody to create the design for me. So I'll come here to Fiverr.com, you can see right here, and I will pay somebody, okay? I shall design clean, edgy, and simple typography-based design up to 2 colors. So something simple, but this is actually pretty cool. We could actually target businesses, okay? And we could target, people that do yoga. We could target people that are building a brand for, making money online or internet marketing or, YouTubers. There's a lot of people we could target, okay? So again, without giving away my exact niche and who my team and I are targeting right now, this is a great way to make some money. So all you gotta do is go and find your niche, your specific people, your target market, and let them know what you offer, okay? Let's say it's a cooking, you're going after people that love to cook, okay, or love to eat, okay? You could do a very simple, like this one, text-based design, and they can promote it. This person could promote it on Pedro Fitness's one right here, he could promote it, and he has no links. Okay, so this one, 24 likes, 33. Okay, he's getting some likes. Okay, great. What if these people want to know, okay, how are you doing exactly what you're doing, or where did you find a shirt that says, Monday, 7 new days to make gains? If this is the exact quote you have on a shirt and you're wearing it, great. But where did you get it? How could I buy that? Some people might want to know. Well, you send them the link to either Printful or Teespring. There's other sites as well, and you can make some money that way. Here's the cool part, and this is what so many people don't realize. On Printful, and there's other sites as well that have a lot of stuff. There's hoodies and sweatshirts, hats, coffee mugs, embroidered t-shirts, leggings, t-shirts, skirts, dresses, posters, socks, backpacks, all over shirts, tote bags, throw pillows, sports bras, phone cases, embroidered aprons, beach towels, and swimwear. Okay, there's so much stuff. I can tell you right now that I used to promote aprons, but on a different site. And we did extremely well by targeting people that like to cook. Also promoted phone cases, okay, for a YouTuber. Did the exact design. Not an extremely big YouTuber, but still for a YouTuber, and he did extremely well. We did socks and completely failed. So we didn't go after the right market. We tried leggings, and the leggings came out, and some of them were awful. Okay, they didn't have the best leggings. They didn't have the best material. A lot of them shrank. A lot of them were see-through. Okay, we did coffee mugs. Those did extremely well. Okay, and we targeted people that loved tea, not coffee. Did extremely well. So we target different types of people, but it's the same thing in the end. We charge them $20. It takes us $5 to pay our designer. They usually have, so we actually have 2 different designers right now, but usually they give us unlimited revisions, but normally we do between 2 and 3 different revisions to make it exactly what the client wants, which is great. It only takes us a few days to get the item or the client their work back. And so we make about $15 profit off every single order. So all you gotta do is sell 4 per day in order to make $60 using the exact same copy and paste technique. Now, how do you make your money? You get paid through PayPal. You then send the buyer the design after this person would send it to you, or whoever made the design would send it to you, and you make up the difference. That's how simple it is. And again, I'll try to add this in the description box below so you can use it if you want to. You can modify it. You can do whatever you want with it. Okay, but this is exactly what I'm doing to make some money online. Now, this is making me $15 profit per transaction. We're doing a little bit more than $60 per day, which is great. But again, this is just one business that can make you more money. So get on it, start making some money using this exact same copy and paste technique. So over the years, I've shown people hundreds of ways to make money online. This way that I just showed you was just one of them. Now, with that said, I've shown people how to use different copy and paste techniques very similar to this one. And what most people do wrong is they send out a few messages, send out a few emails, they get no responses, and they quit. That's one way you can fail, and if you want to do that, go for it. But you're not going to make any money. My advice to you is to send out a bunch of DMs, send out a bunch of emails, send out a bunch of Facebook messages, and get a hold of as many people as possible. Just from my experience using the exact little template I showed you, the exact layout, okay, that's exactly what I say inside DMs, it's exactly what I say inside emails, it's exactly what I say inside Facebook messages. And I get about 1 out of every 22 to 25 people respond, okay? So about 1 out of every, let's just say 1 out of every 25 people actually converts to a sale. So if I want to make $60 in a day and I'm only charging $20, which is normally what we charge, okay, because we pay someone $5 to do all the work and then we profit about $15. If I want to do that, I need to sell 4. That means I need to message, email, and DM 100 people a day in order to make $60. With that said, out of those 100 people that I DM or message, whatever, 4 people actually buy. Out of those 4 people, most of them actually return and are returning customers. And from those additional 96 that never purchased, they do come back at some point because most people do not read their email the first day. So with that said, don't stop. You're gonna send a bunch of emails, bunch of messages, and maybe you don't get a bunch of hits and responses on day one, but just understand, maybe the next day, the day after that, or 2 weeks down the line, somebody reads that DM, reads that message, or reads that email and gets back to you. And that means you got another customer. So never stop, keep sending those emails. Now, I want to give you one tip. Just because this works for me, okay, just because the exact template that I gave you, the exact writing, exact copy works for me, doesn't mean it's gonna work for every niche, okay? I'm not gonna go and give you, especially for this one because we're still doing it, but I'm not going to give you the exact niche that we are targeting. And I say that because I don't want the competition just yet, okay? I love giving you guys advice, love giving you guys, different methods to make money. However, I'm not going to give you the exact one that my team and I are actually using right now to make money from this one. So, maybe later on I will, but as of right now I'm not. So just get out there, try different, niches, different topics. Maybe fitness isn't working, maybe cooking isn't working, maybe travel is not working. Figure out what influencers you can target, start making money from them. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.